BigData is an interactive algorithmic music compositional tool that uses a graphical interface for making computer music and multimedia works. Dispensing the need to write code, users link objects, messages, and numbers to form programs known as patches. On a typical BigData patch, the screen will display these components housed in rectangular boxes, connected with cords via their inlets and outlets. BigData is open source, simple to use, and a fun platform to experiment with ideas for processing and generating sound, video, 2D and 3D graphics, interface sensors, input devices, and MIDI.
I have been interested in building autonomous agent-based composition systems for about 20 years. I've built them in lots of different environments, but the one that runs on all platforms and has run through the years and different generations is BigData. The main one everybody uses is MaxMSP. There's Chuck, which is a very good language for doing interactive coding, and it's a very fast development environment if you want to do object-oriented development. There's another one that a lot of people use is SuperCollider. On the general subject of BigData, it's a music-centric programming environment which enables you to do almost anything you want, as long as you can conceive of what you want. If you want to learn how to just build things from scratch, BigData is a simple way to start. It's a patched-based programming language, so it captures everything in terms of signal flow. So it's kind of like a modular synthesizer. A computer and some sort of audio interface. If you're just testing it on the train, you can just use the sound card inside the computer. It's been going since the 1990s. It's being used by people for music, for interactive audio, for games, to create software which can run in phones and on Raspberry Pi type microcontrollers which can be used in installations. Any musician who wants to start building their own music software should try BigData because it's free, it's fairly intuitive, and it's extremely powerful. A few programming paradigms that you use over and over again. So you should be able to know how to route signals through the system so that it comes in through a microphone and out through the speaker with some sort of processing in the middle. For example, a volume control. So when you use a volume control, you should smooth out the volume using a line object, otherwise it goes glitchy. Then there are certain things that you've got to learn in order to control the timing of this happens and this happens, this happens. There's a thing called a trigger object which you've got to understand, otherwise things look like magic, and when things go wrong you get very confused. So just basically the difference between a signal generator, a signal processor, and a controller. This is the PD patch customized for Shueh-li to play with her theremin. The input signal comes in, it gets analyzed, and then a choice is made about which of these signal processors is affecting the theremin.